Of late, I have been very disturbed by the tendency of members of bar associations to comment on cases which are pending before the court and of commenting on judgments delivered by the court. Almost every day when I climb down from the steps of the Chief Justice's court, there would be at least 2 or 3 members of the Bar Association waiting to meet me. There is something so very urgent that they want me to attend to. Human beings are political animals. Lawyers are no exception. On a day-to-day basis, it is the Bar Association, as representatives of the lawyers, who directly engage with the court and the registry. Almost every day when I climb down from the steps of the Chief Justice's court, there would be at least 2 or 3 members of the Bar Association waiting to meet me. There is something so very urgent that they want me to attend to. Lawyers are central stakeholders in the functioning of our courts and active bar associations, such as the Nagpur High Court Bar Association. And they ensure that there is a constant and productive dialogue between the bar and the bench. Although many of us judges have been a part of the bar at different points in time, interactions with the associations ensure that we do not become detached from the everyday realities of our colleagues at the bar. The role of a bar association, however, must not be limited to only advancing the immediate concerns of lawyers. The role extends to a broader institutional responsibility to enhance the functioning of the judiciary and protect the dignity of the court. Bar associations must focus on improving the quality of advocacy at the bar and, more importantly, making our courtrooms more accessible and safe for our citizens. Recently, the Supreme Court took suo to cognizance of an incident involving the manhandling of a senior advocate and a young lawyer in one of the district courts during a boycott called by the Bar Association not too far from Delhi. You are fortunate that these incidents are not par for the course in Nagpur. The specifics of this incident aside, it is incumbent upon the Bar Associations to ensure the safety of all the members of the bar when they come to practice before the court. With hybrid hearings, lawyers from across the country appear before courts in different regions. Bar associations must adopt a more accommodative and inclusive approach, ensuring safety and welcoming all the members of the bar who practice before that court. I was pleased to hear about the legal aid project called Nyayadut run by the Nagpur High Court Bar Association to ensure pro bono access to legal resources for persons residing in the villages in the Vidarbha region. I urge the younger members of the bar to contribute to such initiatives. It serves as an opportunity to not only use your premier education and training to secure justice to ordinary citizens, but it is also a way to sharpen your legal skills and advocacy. Similarly, the steps taken by the Nagpur High Court Bar Association to mentor and improve the skills of younger members of the bar by regularly organizing lecture series and study circles must be appreciated. My last act before I left my position as visiting judge at Nagpur to go to Mumbai was to deliver a lecture on international law, which the bar had requested me to deliver. I must also highlight the importance of having an independent bar and, as a result, independent bar associations. The judiciary has time and again risen to the occasion to assert its independence and non-partisanship, a separation of powers from the executive, the legislature, and vested political interests. We must not forget, however, that there is a close link between the independence of the judiciary and the independence of the bar. The bar as an institution is essential to preserve judicial independence, constitutional values, and the dignity of the court. In a vibrant and argumentative democracy like ours, most individuals have a political ideology or inclination. To quote Aristotle, human beings are political animals. Lawyers are no exception. However, for members of the bar, one's highest loyalty must not lie with partisan interests, but to the court and the constitution. In many ways, it is an independent bar that is a moral bulwark to protect the rule of law and constitutional governance. Judgments of our constitutional courts are the culmination of rigorous proceedings, thorough legal analysis, and a commitment to constitutional principle. But once the judgment is pronounced, it is public property. As an institution, our shoulders are broad. We stand ready to receive both praise and criticism, bouquets and brickbats, be it through journalistic pieces, political commentary, or on the social media. But as members and office bearers of bar associations, with years of training and experience, you must distinguish yourself from the layperson while reacting to judgments of the court and engaging in legal discussion. Of late, I have been very disturbed by the tendency of members of bar associations to comment on cases which are pending before the court and of commenting on judgments delivered by the court. You are first and foremost officers of the court, and the dignity and truth in our legal discourse is in your hands. As members of the bar, it is incumbent upon you to communicate the judgments of the court to the public, utilizing platforms such as opinion pieces in newspapers, media appearances, and public lectures. In this sense, the bar has the potential to act as a bridge between the court and the citizens. In fulfilling your role, the bar can effectively translate complex legal concepts and precedents into accessible language for the public, fostering a deeper understanding of our constitutional values and the true purport of our judgments. On many occasions, I have spoken about the need for representation of women in the judiciary and as members of the bar.